Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Open it, then go to Tor project.org, hit enter, then click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Click on either of them, then scroll down. See, here we have the options for download for Windows, download for Mac OS, download for Linux, and download for Android. So click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. Now we have to untap the or unzip this one, tor-exec, then give tor, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls, now give the // then give start, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, now it is opening Tor Browser. See, you got the Tor Browser, and connect to Tor Browser, click on connect. And if you want to always connect to automatically, you have to turn on. If you don't want, turn off. Okay, so I want, so click on connect. See, now it is connecting to Tor. See, we have successfully connected, and you can browse. Okay, and default search engine for the Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, close this. So we have successfully connected. This file is not required anymore. ls, remove this zip file, rmu tor, hit enter. I am not going to remove this Tor Browser. Okay, control it. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.